big dino roar. Very good. Now Zeus is 4 years old and he is actually pretty small for the average Tyrannosaurus Rex. I'm sorry, it's true. You have siblings that are bigger than you, Zeus. Oh no, not the Frito feet. Alright friends, so Zeus is just going to give us some quick sniffs to make sure you guys are friends and not food. I wouldn't really tell you just yet. He is just making sure that we call a carnivore dinosaur. He eats things like chicken nuggets. He also enjoys to eat pizza wings and pepperoni pizza. We'll not be sticking our fingers or our toes in Zeus's mouth. We do want to go